Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to tackle a very common question for Squarespace users. How do you add pages within a page? This usually means you want to create a drop-down menu in your main navigation, where one menu item, like services, reveals a list of other pages when you hover over it. It's a great way to organize your website and make it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. The primary way to do this in Squarespace, on both versions 7.0 and 7.1, is by using a feature called a folder. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you need to be logged into your Squarespace site. From your main dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This is where you manage all the pages of your website. In the Pages panel, look for your main navigation section. To create the drop-down menu, you'll click the plus icon right next to the main navigation title. A menu will pop up with different page types you can add. You'll want to select Folder. Once you click it, Squarespace will ask you to name your new folder. This name is important because it's what will appear in your main navigation bar. For example, you could call it Services, About, or Portfolio. After you type in the name and press Enter, you'll see the new folder appear in your page list. Now, here's the key part. The folder itself is not a page. It's simply a container to hold your other pages. You can now start adding pages into this folder. You can do this in two ways. You can either drag and drop existing pages from your navigation list directly underneath the folder until you see a little indented line appear, which tells you it's being placed inside, or you can create brand new pages directly within it. To do that, just hover over the folder and click the plus icon that appears to add a new blank page, a page from a layout, or any other page type you need. The pages you place inside this folder will become the items in your drop-down menu. You can reorder them by simply dragging them up or down within the folder. Once you have your pages arranged, just click Save in the top left corner. Then, go to your live site preview to see the result. You should now see your folder name in the navigation, and when you hover your mouse over it, a beautiful drop-down menu will appear with links to all the pages you placed inside. It's that simple. For those on older Squarespace 7.0 templates, you might also be familiar with index pages, which was another way to group pages into one master page, often for a long scrolling effect. In the newer version, Squarespace 7.1, this effect is achieved more easily by simply adding multiple page sections to a single standard page. But for creating the classic drop-down menu, the folder method is the way to go. It keeps your site tidy and professional. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful and cleared up how to structure your pages. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple Squarespace tutorials and web design tips. See you in the next video.